Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we are going to fix the black screen issue with your Samsung Galaxy A16. So what you want to do is that you want to hold volume down, power button. If it is a minor thing, this will work. If not, examine your LCD screen for any form of cracks, because there are some deep cracks that can cause your screen to go black. Also, your screen can also fail automatically without any issue, without dropping, without water, without anything. So bear this in mind. So if you have a black screen, so this is how you want to fix it. You want to do the volume down and the power button. Hold those two buttons together and that will fix it. Also, if you have a non-responsive screen, meaning the screen is not responding whatsoever when you touch, it's not responding, in other words, frozen screen, this is what you do. Same thing, volume down and also power button. You release when you see the logo. If your phone is not turning on, I'll show you what to do. So if your phone is not turning on, you want to plug the charger in and you want to hold the volume down and the power button. If you see that your phone blinks, if you see that your phone screen light blink or it comes on and then goes off back, then you want to give your phone some charge. If not, you want to hold the volume down and the power button. And this should happen if your phone is not turning on, right? If you happen that you see the screen is blinking, your battery is depleted and you need to charge your battery properly, you want to leave your phone on the charger for some time. So guys, I hope that these tips help you to fix your device, and also I hope that this video was helpful. At the moment this phone is at 0%, so we need to get some charge into it. My name is Lenz. If you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe.